Today we're going to look at 4.2 solving quadratic equation graphically. So we're going to solve for these four equations, and as you take a look at them, there's an x in each one. So I'm going to solve for x, and x has to equal 0, 0, 0, 0. So to do that, all I'm going to do is, what it says do it with a graphing calculator. So in my graphing calculator, and what I want to do is, I'll show you how to do this, is you want to go to y equals button. So I go to y equals and I plug in the equation just like this: x squared plus x minus 6. And because I want to solve for it, I'm just going to go second function table, and it comes out with the answers for it. So I can see that negative 3, when x is negative 3, y is 0, so that's one of them. And I also take a look and I see that 2 and 0 is another one. So there's my intercepts for that equation. And then I do the same. If I go to that and I do x squared minus 9x, and I want to see the answers to that one. Once again, I'm looking for 0 here. I can see one answer is 0. And I see another answer. No, nothing up there. And I look down here. Oh, it's getting lower. Oh, and there's the other answer is 9. So when I take a look at this one, once again, yx button, clear it. I'm going to go to 5x squared plus 7x minus 6. And I'm going to see the answers. Ooh, pretty high. So it's getting lower there, so I'll take off, see if I hit 0 anywhere there. Oh, there's a 0 there, so that negative 2 is 1. And nowhere else. So, but I should have 2 answers. So let's just take a look and see if we can graph this equation. And it does come back up. So that's roughly, I would say, about 0.5. So there's my answer for that one. This one over here, D, once again, y equals button, clear it. I'm going to go 4x squared minus 28x plus 49. I'm going to graph it, and it just touches it. And because it only touches it once, that means there's probably only one answer. So let's see if I can find the answer in the table here. It's getting lower. So it's roughly around here, so I would say it's probably 3.5 is the answer. So from that, I didn't go down and fill out the table here, so I could see that x-intercept for this equation are negative 3 and 2. Corresponding quadratic function will be x squared plus x minus 6 is equal to 0. And the discipline, so B will be 1 squared minus 4 times A, which is 1, times C, which is negative 6. So here I get 1 times 1, and I end up getting 25. So that equals 25. Down here, my intercepts are 0 and 9. My equation will be x squared minus 9x is equal to 0. Plug in my numbers. I have negative 9 squared minus 4 times A, which is 1. C, there's no C, and I come out with 81. Next one, my x-intercepts are negative 2 and 0.5. My equation would be 5x squared plus 7x minus 6 is equal to 0. Plug in my display, so it's 7 squared minus 4 times 5 times negative 6. And I end up getting 169 after multiplying all those. And my last one, the x-intercept, there's only one, which is 3.5. 4x squared minus 28x plus 49 is equal to 0. Plug in what I know. I got negative 28 squared minus 4 times 4, which is A, times 49, which is C. And when I do all my calculations, I equal 0 on that. So now take a look at your assignment, which you have to do by looking at your calendar. If you have any questions, please check with me, and have a good day.